All right, the engine is all back together. Everything is back in its correct place. Fresh oil, fresh starter motor, a few new bolts here and there that you can't see, but there's one right there. All right, now the big moment. Is that Bob? No, sorry, you look like somebody else I know. Okay. Is there any indication of battery life here? Yes, the battery seems to be alive. Key. Ignition. Beeping. Transmission in neutral. Foot on the clutch. And she starts. Ha ha. Boy, does that feel. The shifter feels funny. Yay! Alrighty. Thank you, world. Bye-bye.